got to quickly look at the men's long jump and what really happened for the Jamaicans, because the 2019 champion, world champion Tajay Gayle, looks to be getting back into some good form. You know, he won Group B of the qualifying, cutting the sand at 8.28 meters. And then we had his compatriot Nikolai Williams finishing second in Group B qualification, 8.15 meters. But tough luck for Carey McLeod. He ended up 12th in Group A and did not advance. His best effort, 7.86 meters. Pretty good going by two of the three men in the long jump today, Warren.
Yes, definitely. As I said before, our program is actually developing. Each time we go to these games, we have a bigger depth in the field. And to see those two guys, Tajay, welcome back. You know, we missed you, and we're glad you are healthy and jumping good. I know Bruce feels good for that too. Yes. So we have to say, we like seeing it. We love when they're healthy. We love when they're jumping good. And Tajay looks really, really good.
Daniel, Tajay has had injury issues for about the last 3 global championships. He had serious knee issues in Tokyo, had issues in Budapest. So it's good to see him coming back now. Nikolai Williams may have surprised a few this morning. And then Carey McLeod not advancing, a bit surprising as well.
Yes, Tajay, for watching his series, what was impressive is that his second attempt, 807, he did that from about 30 centimeters behind the board, and he made the adjustments, came back on his final jump, 828, the top in the qualifiers. And Nikolai stepped up, hit the qualifying mark, exactly 815, 8.15 meters. And so we have 4 persons going in with the automatic distance, and 2 of those are Jamaicans, and Tajay Gayle topping that. For Carey McLeod, had a poor series. Unfortunate for him, fouled his first attempt, 7.86 on the second, and just completely out of it on the final attempt. So he wasn't able to turn around his fortune.
Right, so Tajay Gayle haven't gone back near close to that 869 that he did at the 2019 World Championships. It's absolutely so good to see him coming back into some good shape.
So 869 is actually the championship record still at these World Championships. Nobody has done it better at the World Champs. I was actually in Doha when Tajay jumped at 869. I was inside the stadium. It was amazing to see. What was really a blessing, though, this year at the Gibson Relays, Tajay jumped 8.34 meters for a world lead at the time. So we thought he's back. He has been hurt. In fact, he has not been able to clear. He has been struggling to get back to 8 meters. And then today, 8.28, his confidence is sky high. His coach is right there, Carey Lee Ricketts. Listen to that name, because Carey Lee also coaches a triple jumper named Shanika Ricketts. So Carey Lee is right there on spot with him. Tajay is in pole position now to get a medal. It would be great if he can do it.
Quite so, Bruce.
Honestly, there's only so much an athlete can do, honestly, and this is not a blame game, but you know, when you're at a championship, you have to put the best foot forward, and that's what happens when you know you don't give the best effort. But I'm happy to be here, happy that I made the semifinals, and even though it's my first time, and I wish I had, you know, the ability to do better, but it was still good, still blessed, still grateful, and I can only look forward to what's next.
Well, I can tell you, you have the ability to do better, and we know you'll do better in future championships. It's your first one. You know, disappointed not to advance to the semifinals, but overall, though, how was it for you at your first World Championships?
It was good. It was good. It was a learning experience. Not only a learning experience for just track itself, just to see how you get along with situations, how to deal with your emotions, how calm you stay. Just even in the warm-up, to here, to after, it's just a process. It's a learning process, and I'm happy I experienced it, because you know what to work on for the next one.